So you've booked a cruise in 2025. You're packing your bags full of bad decisions and thinking, I'm on international waters. What are they going to do? Arrest me? Oh, honey. Oh, sweet, naive, vodka in a mouthwash bottle, honey. Cruise ships in 2025 are not the lawless booze barges you saw in that one TikTok. They're floating surveillance machines with rules tighter than your cabin's shower curtain. And yes, they can kick you off at the next port. And no, they won't feel bad about it. This isn't spring break, ocean edition. This is you, a grown adult, getting fined $500 because you thought your balcony was private during your late-night stretching exercises. In this video, I'm counting down 11 naughty cruise secrets you really need to know. From passengers getting banned for buffet crimes to cruise jail. Yep, that's real. To hot tub hookups that triggered biohazard protocols. So unless you enjoy getting humiliated at sea, stick around. Because what you don't know about cruise rules could cost you thousands, your dignity, and possibly your shrimp privileges. Let's begin. Number 1. Your hidden booze tricks? Security's seen it all. So you filled a shampoo bottle with vodka. How original. What's next? Stuffing tequila into a teddy bear and calling it emotional support? Newsflash, cruise security in 2025 isn't fooled. They've got X-ray scanners so advanced they can basically read your liver. And your clever little Listerine bottle full of rum? Yeah, it lights up like a Christmas tree on their screen. Best case, your stash is confiscated. Worst case, you get slapped with a $250 fine, a stern lecture, and the humiliation of being that passenger. One guy tried hiding 3 bottles of Jack in his body wash and ended up paying $800 in fines. Hope that was the smoothest shower he ever had. Number 2, your cabin steward? Oh, they're snitching. You think your steward is just there to make towel animals and replace your tiny soap bar? Cute. They're actually part of a well-oiled snitch machine. They've seen it all, your hidden wine bottle behind the undies, the vape pen taped under the nightstand, the party stash behind the Gideon Bible. They report it with photos straight to security. Why? Because if they don't, they're the ones who get fired. So go ahead, try to outsmart the person who cleans 200 cabins a week and has seen more smuggled contraband than an airport beagle. Just know you're playing hide and seek with a pro who wins every time. But hey, before we get to secret number 3, can I ask you a quick favor? I'm still pretty new on YouTube, and I'm on a mission to hit my first 1,000 subscribers. Because apparently that's when YouTube finally decides I exist. If you're enjoying this video, or even just hate watching it out of curiosity, smash that subscribe button and help me on this ridiculous journey. Seriously, I appreciate it more than you know. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 3, your balcony shenanigans? Not as private as you think. Ah, yes, the balcony cabin. Romantic, peaceful, your own little oceanfront paradise. Until you realize half the ship just watched you reenact a steamy soap opera through their binoculars. Those balcony dividers, they've got gaps. The glass, reflective. And the people above you? They've got a front row seat, especially when your lights are on and you're mid-performance. In fact, one couple got caught on video by a neighbor, posted on TikTok, and ended up with a $500 fine for public indecency. Romance, ruined. Privacy, exposed. Internet, undefeated. If you're going to get spicy on the balcony, at least wave to the people filming. You might as well go viral on purpose. Number 4, hooking up with crew? It's a one-way ticket to Disembarkville. We get it, he's got an accent, he knows how to make a mojito, and he called you madam. But if you think your late-night fling with the bartender is romantic, the cruise line calls it grounds for termination. And not just for him. Crew members are strictly banned from getting cozy with passengers. If they get caught, they're fired immediately and blacklisted from working on cruise ships ever again. And you? You'll get slapped with a warning or worse, kicked off the ship for violating conduct policies. So unless you want to be the reason Carlos loses his job, his income, and his cabin with the creaky bunk bed, maybe stick to flirting with your cocktail, not the guy who made it. Cruise casino games are basically wallet shredders in disguise. You walk into the cruise casino, see a claw machine stacked with cash, and think, I'm feeling lucky. Well, here's the truth. Those machines are rigged tighter than the waistband on your formal night pants. That claw? It only grabs strong enough to win once every X number of tries, and that number is set by software the cruise line controls. And that key game where you just narrowly miss the prize every time? That's not bad luck. That's the scam working perfectly. Unlike Vegas, cruise casinos are in international waters. which means less regulation, lower payouts, and way more ways to lose money with style. So yeah, you might win, but odds are your biggest jackpot will be the free watered-down margarita they hand you while you kiss your savings goodbye. Number 6. Cruise jail exists, and it's not cute. You thought a cruise ship was all umbrella drinks and sunburns? Well, buckle up, because these floating cities come with their own mini jail cells, complete with metal beds, bad lighting, and zero towel animals. Get drunk and belligerent? Cruise jail. Start a fight on the pool deck? Cruise jail. Try to liberate the chocolate fountain after hours? Yep, cruise jail. One guy tried to climb onto someone else's balcony as a prank and ended up locked in the brig until the ship reached port. He missed 3 ports, a formal night, and his girlfriend dumped him in front of security. Moral of the story? If you're gonna act like a menace, maybe just stay home and do it for free. Number 7. Cruise ship hookups are all fun, until they're not. Vacation mode hits, the drinks are flowing, the stars are out, and suddenly you're locking eyes with someone at the late-night pizza bar like it's fate. Fast forward. Awkward silence at breakfast, 6 more days on the same boat, and you keep running into them everywhere. At the buffet, at trivia, in line for the tender boat, even the towel folding demo. It's like the universe is punishing you for your questionable taste. And if things go sideways, well, now it's a full-on episode of cruise ship regrets and revenge. Security gets involved, witnesses get interviewed, and congratulations, you've turned a vacation into a reality show no one asked for. So maybe, just maybe, swipe left on sea flings. Number 8. People are getting kicked off just to go viral. In 2025, we've reached peak stupidity. Some passengers are now deliberately breaking rules to get footage for social media. Faking allergies for free upgrades, arguing with staff for views, even staging breakdowns in the dining room for attention. One couple pulled a fake complaint meltdown in the middle of a port excursion and got banned for life and roasted in the comment section. The worst part? Some of these stunts are so obvious even the captain's like, really? Again? Here's a thought. Instead of being escorted off the ship for content, maybe just enjoy your vacation like a normal person and post a video of your towel swan like the rest of us. Number 9. Hot tub hookups equals biohazard protocols now? You may think that bubbly spa under the stars is the perfect place to relax, but the second someone gets a little too handsy, guess what happens? Full shutdown. The crew's draining it, disinfecting it, and breaking out gloves like it's a CSI scene. Because in 2025, cruise lines have zero chill when it comes to hot tub hijinks. One couple got caught on camera getting cozy during sail away. Next thing you know, an announcement came over the PA asking all guests to vacate the spa deck. Imagine being the reason everyone's hot tub time was canceled. Hope it was worth the $250 bio-cleaning fee and public shame. Moral of the story? Keep it classy in the jacuzzi, or at least keep it under a towel. Number 10. Your cruise behavior gets scored, like a naughty report card. You thought you were just another face in the crowd, but nope. Cruise lines keep detailed files on everything you do. Too loud at the comedy show? Logged. Yelled at a bartender? Logged. Tried to sneak booze in a fake baby bottle? Oh, that's logged, flagged, and probably discussed at crew karaoke. And here's the kicker. This little behavioral report card follows you. Even if you switch cruise lines, some of them share notes like mean girls at lunch. So yeah, one cruise meltdown in 2023 could totally ruin your 2025 vacation plans. It's like a bad Yelp review, but you're the business. Number 11, getting too wasted in port? Say hello to being stranded in paradise. You're 19 in Cozumel and the local bar just handed you a drink the size of a toddler. You're living your best life until it's time to get back on the ship and security takes one look at you and says, nope, not like that. Yep, in 2025, cruise lines can and will deny boarding if you're too drunk to walk straight. And it doesn't matter if you're technically legal in that country. If you're sloppy, you're stuck. One kid from Texas had to spend $2,500 getting home because he showed up to the port swaying like a palm tree in a hurricane. The ship left without him. No refund. No pity. No pina colada. And before you say, that'll never happen to me, just know they're watching. If you're slurring, stumbling, or shouted, where's the karaoke bar, in the middle of customs, security's already dialing your exile plan. So yes, drink the margarita. But maybe stop before you're Googling how to get from Nassau to Miami using only your souvenir tote bag and regret. And if you thought these naughty secrets were wild, Wait till you see what's really happening on Carnival cruises right now. Yep, new rules, upset passengers, and a whole lot of drama at sea. I'll see you over in the end screen for that one, because I have a feeling you're either going to love some of these rule changes or rage scroll through the comments.